Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we're going to review how to upload GPX tracks to your SprayLogger account. Once you have started a SprayLogger job, something that can be helpful is if you need to walk away from your vehicle out of range of the distance of your Bluetooth. This can be especially helpful if you have a really long hose reel. Depending on your mobile device, and this is device specific, some have longer ranges than others. Your SprayLogger connects to your mobile device via Bluetooth connection. Some can have a range of 50 feet, others can have a range of several hundred feet. So it all kind of depends on your mobile device. But if you know you're going to be walking away further than what your Bluetooth connection can handle, you can still run your spray job, but what you're going to do is append your information with a GPX track. And so up here, when you're running your spray job and you need to walk away, before you walk away from your vehicle, start your, click on this black box up here and start a track. And give it a name, and then hit start. And now you can begin to walk away from your vehicle and continue to spray while it's being recorded. In this circumstance, what you'd want to do is you're going to leave your leave a device at your truck so it can continue to record your gallons to the device that you have in your truck. But then if you have a second device like a mobile phone or something like that, you're going to take that second device out with you, and that's what you're actually going to record the track on. So then you can go out and walk away, use your hose reel, spray as you need to, and when you come back, you can hit stop track. So that's going to save that file onto your mobile device. Now, unlike the rest of Map It Fast with your points, lines, polygons, or your spray lines, things like that, that information is not automatically synchronized. So you're going to need to find it and email it to your desktop so you can then assign it at a later time to your spray application. So you're going to hit your home button, and you're going to find your file manager. Now, most devices, depending on the manufacturer, do have some type of file system where it'll have a folder icon that you can click on and then find it. So for instance here, I click on it, I can go to AgTerra, under internal storage, and then AgTerra, and then tracks, and then there's my GPX tracks. So that's where the file location is at. You can, from your email system, whether it's Gmail or private email, you're going to find that and attach it and then email it to yourself. So once you have it emailed to yourself and downloaded to your desktop, and we'll go to the desktop side here, I can then open up my SprayLogger website, go to records, and upload GPX. So from here, I can find my job, find my applications, and then I can select and upload my GPX track. Once I'm done, I can hit assign tracks. That'll process it. You'll get a message that it's been successful, and then from there you're all done. This has been Jason Hodges on how to upload or record a GPX track for spraying, and then how to upload it to your SprayLogger system. Thank you very much.